Atherosclerosis is a serious condition caused by plaque buildup in the arteries. This plaque, made up of calcium, fat, and cholesterol, hardens over time and narrows the arteries, limiting oxygenated blood flow to vital parts of the body. This can lead to severe health issues such as stroke, heart attack, and even death. Atherosclerosis can affect arteries throughout the body, including the kidneys, lungs, heart, brain, arms, and legs, potentially causing various diseases like heart disease and coronary heart disease. Carotid artery disease, for example, occurs when plaque builds up in the neck arteries, which can lead to a stroke if blood flow is reduced. The condition develops over time due to genetics, diet, and lifestyle choices. However, certain foods can help reduce plaque in the arteries. 1. Beans. Beans are rich in amino acids, the building blocks of protein, essential for healing and growing bone, muscle, skin, and blood tissues. They are high in fiber, which is beneficial for heart health. Consuming fiber-rich foods like beans helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries, manage cholesterol levels, and significantly lower the risk of atherosclerosis. Other benefits of eating beans include improved artery function and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. 2. Garlic. It is well known that adding garlic to your diet has numerous health benefits. Consumption of garlic in moderation can prevent abnormal blood clots and reduce the rate at which plaques develop and build up in the arteries. It contains diallyl trisulfide from garlic oil, which protects the heart from a heart attack. Garlic also comes with antibacterial qualities. It offers a range of health benefits from improved cholesterol levels to blood thinning and lowering of blood pressure, which all contribute in tandem to prevent clogged arteries. 3. Berries. Berries offer numerous benefits, including enhanced cognitive health, cancer protection, and reduced blood pressure. Rich in minerals, vitamins, and flavonoid antioxidants, they support cardiovascular health. Research shows that berries can benefit atherosclerosis patients by preventing plaque buildup in arteries, improving artery function, reducing inflammation, and lowering cholesterol accumulation. Additionally, berries help prevent high blood pressure and promote the free flow of oxygenated blood. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are good sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Tomatoes and their products contain plant compounds that help combat plaque buildup. They include the carotenoid pigment lycopene, which has a lot of health benefits. Consuming tomatoes that are rich in lycopene can give rise to good cholesterol levels, prevention of heart disease, and reduced inflammation. Tomatoes can also have a positive effect on the inner linings of blood vessels by reducing clogging in the arteries. 5. Onions. Onions are part of the Allium genus family and, like garlic, they provide several essential health benefits. Diets that have lots of onions included in them can wield several advantages like reducing cholesterol and triglycerides levels. Onions have both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects when used in foods. This vegetable has been linked to countless health benefits such as enhanced bone and artery health, reduced blood sugar levels, and decreased risk of cancer. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, which provides many excellent health benefits to the body when consumed. These benefits include the prevention of cancer and Alzheimer's disease, reduction of inflammation, and improved brain function. Drinking a glass of milk mixed with 1 tablespoon of turmeric every day can benefit people suffering from atherosclerosis by reducing plaque buildup and managing LDL cholesterol levels. 7. Lemon. Lemon is exceptionally filled with several health benefits, as they are rich in plant compounds, fiber, and vitamin C. Eating lemon can be helpful in the prevention of heart disease, and it is also very effective in unclogging arteries. Drinking lemon water daily can reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, aid healthy arteries, and prevent oxidative damage. The benefits of lemon also include weight loss, prevention of kidney stones, reduced risk of cancer, protection from anemia, and enhanced digestive health. A healthy diet filled with nutrient-giving foods is always beneficial for your body. The foods listed above will not only help you alleviate plaques in the arteries but can also offer you additional health benefits. Other types of foods that get rid of plaque in arteries include olive oil, pomegranates, leafy greens, and beets.